So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use an easy flirting technique you can start using today, even if you're an introvert like myself. So these are lines that you can memorize exactly as I'm going to tell them to you, or you could play around with them, edit them a little bit based on the context, or even make your own once you understand the two-part easy structure of these, okay? And you might have heard of these before, but this is the flirting technique called push-pull. So when we say push, we're teasing the girl. We're giving her a tease. But then we're also giving her a compliment at the same time. That's when you pull her in. So you push her away with your words by teasing her, right? And then you pull her back in by complimenting. So it creates this kind of interesting dynamic of, does he like me? Does he not? He's teasing me, but he's saying, complimenting me. So it kind of creates this fun dynamic, flirting dynamic amongst you and the girl. And these are ideally used on a date, not so much by texting, because they can be kind of misconstrued. So it's probably better to do in person. Texting, if you would use emojis and kind of make it obvious that you're joking, then that might be okay. But don't want to get too much into theory. I want to give you the lines. So let's kind of start. We're going to start right now with number one. So number one, you could be talking about anything, and you could just throw something like, you know what? I really can't have you around me. You're too cute. Get away from me. And then you could kind of playfully push her away on the shoulder, right? So you're saying basically, you're teasing her. I really can't have you around me. And then you're complimenting her, the pull. You're too cute. Get away from me. And when you say get away, you're actually also pushing her away at the same time. Or again, rather. Again, you want to use all these in a playful way, playful dynamic, not serious. Okay, not like I can't have you around me. It's like, I really can't have you around me. Get away. Like that sort of attitude, okay, with all of these, okay? So number two, you know what? You're really not my type. But you know what? I might be able to make an exception. So again, you're not my type. You're pushing her away, you're teasing her, and then I might be able to make an exception. That is a compliment. You're pulling her back in, okay? So number three, you can say something like, you know what? You better stop this right now. Stop making me like you. You're too cute. Or stop making me like you. You are too awesome. Or stop this right now. You know, you better stop this. You're too adorable. Stop this. I can't handle this. Or something like, stop this right now. You are making me like you. Stop flirting with me, okay? I can't tolerate this. So something like that, okay? So stop this right now. Again, you're teasing her. And then stop making me like you. You're too cute, or you're too awesome. You're adorable. You're flirting with me. Either one of those, again, you're complimenting her, okay? So next one. This is going to be more of the opposite. Now we're going to do a pull-push, compliment tease. And this one is, you know what? You know what? You really are cute. But I don't think we're going to get along. You know, so again, compliment, you're too cute, but I don't think we're going to get along. Tease. And with a smile on your face, right? Or another one you could say is, you know what? You are too cute, but I really don't think you're going to be able to handle me. Again, pull, push, okay? Let's go into the next one. Number five, again, it's going to be also a pull, push. You know what? You're really interesting, but I feel like you're trouble. I feel like you're a troublemaker. You know, so she says something that's interesting or something that's kind of like makes you go kind of wow, even genuinely, right? But you really could throw this anytime. You could throw this in almost any time. Anything she says, you could say, you know what? You're really interesting, but I really don't think you're gonna. Or rather, wait. But I think you wouldn't be able to. I think you're trouble. I think you're trouble. Something like that. Okay. Now next one, number six. You know what? We'd make a great couple. But you know what? I think we're just going to be fighting all the time. Or I bet we'd fight all the time. So you're kind of throwing in you're planting the seed of you guys being a couple. right? In a fun, playful way. Not in a pleading way, will you be my girlfriend? It's more like, hey, I think we'd make a great couple. But I really think we'd actually be fighting all the time. Again, and last example for today is you could say anything like that you have to leave the date. So you know what, I should get going. Or you know what, I really gotta go. You're really starting to like me, and we can't have that around here. Or you could leave that last part off. So you could say, you know what, I really have to get going. You're really starting to like me. I gotta go. And then it's gonna be fun. What is she gonna do? She's probably gonna grab your arm and say, no, where are you going? You could even get off your chair or start walking the other direction just for a little bit, just to make it fun. She's gonna start laughing. I've done this before, by the way, and girls love this. It's just really fun. But anyway, so there you go. You could probably make your own from these. Just think of anything you could tease her with, like an easy line, like kind of what I was giving you, and then compliment, or you could swap these around, make your own. You could mix and match with these. There's a lot of things you could do here. So again, this is not about being serious. This is about having a playful vibe, a playful tone, and giving her those playful pushes when appropriate. Playful touching, that sort of thing. So I hope this is helpful. Try these out. Let me know how they go. Let me know how they respond. And if you have any questions, any comments, any good teases that I missed, go ahead and put them in the comments. And as usual, you have ideas for any future videos, let me know. Like and subscribe to this channel and this video. It'll help me also get out there more and bring you more content. So I think that's it for today. You guys have a great day.